to a world of wonder with Kristen Starfish. I'm your host, Kristen, and this is my favorite little friend, Starfish. If you enjoy these videos, please help me by making them and hit that subscribe and like button. Today we're exploring the captivating world of rays in Australia. Get ready to meet these amazing creatures up close and personal. Time to put on our dive mask and take a dive. Greeting ocean enthusiasts! Today we're taking a dive to explore some rays. Let's begin our underwater adventure and first learn about these giant graceful creatures, the gray ray. Now gray rays glide like spaceships in underwater realms. With their sleek bodies and wide wings, they glide effortlessly through the water. Gray rays sport subtle shades of gray and white, which make them masters of camouflage. This coloration helps them blend seamlessly with the sandy ocean floor, offering them a near invisible presence to their prey and predators alike. Now, how many stingrays can you see lying on the sand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, that was tricky. You know what? There could be more, but they're really hard to count when they're all stacked on top of each other. Now, gray rays are known as being the giants of the deep. They often coexist peacefully with other marine life, displaying their gentle nature as they glide through the ocean. Gray rays are ovoviviparous, which means they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. Female gray rays can typically give birth to 2 to 6 pups at a time, with each pup looking like a miniature version of the adult. How cute is that? Okay, let's go meet some more rays. How about we have some blue spotted rays? Okay, how many can you see here in this tank? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, and 1 shovel nose ray. Good counting. Now, rays belong to a group of fish called elasmobranchs, which also include sharks and skates. They share many characteristics with their relatives, including a cartilaginous skeleton and a flattened body. Now, rays are often ambassadors as they can draw attention to the importance of marine conservation and remind us of the wonder and fragility of the ocean world, the precious environment. Now, as we end our underwater adventure, remember, the ocean holds endless mysteries and treasures to be discovered. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always come back and take a dive with me. S. Starfish! You know, Starfish, when we encounter obstacles, we can think of ourselves as determined little fish swimming upstream against a current. Never give up until we reach our final destination, no matter how many times you get pushed back. Okay, should we go do an activity now? All right, let's go do it. Welcome back for another episode of Afternoon Tea 1, 2, 3. This is where we combine my favorite activities, eating and math. Hey Starfish, thanks for joining me for a snack. And who do we have as our special guest? It's Sonic! Whoa, Sonic, thanks for coming. Do you like your super fast food? I bet you do because you go supersonic speed. All right, what do we have? Strawberries and watermelon. All right, what should we start with first? How about these beautiful strawberries? Okay, let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries to start with. How many should we eat? Starfish wants 1. Sonic wants 1. And I definitely want 1. So we had 4 to start with. And we're gonna eat 1, 2, 3. So if we have 4 and we're gonna subtract 3, that means there's, yep, 1 left. Good counting. All right, time to eat up. Whew, that was some good eating. Okay, what do we have next? Watermelon. Okay, how many to start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 watermelon. I'm gonna eat 1 because they're so cute. Starfish, how many for you? 1 for you. What about you, Sonic? 3 for Sonic. Oh my God, you must be hungry. Must be all that running you do, hey? Okay, we had 7 watermelon to start with. We're gonna eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we had 7 to start with, we're gonna take away 5. Yep, 2 left. Okay, time to eat up. Whoa, that was some good eating. We almost ate all of our fruit. Well, thanks for joining us on another episode of Afternoon Tea 1, 2, 3. We'll see you again soon. Bye. That's all for today's episode of Kristen Starfish. Keep striving towards your goals and never stop shining bright. Thanks for exploring on today's show. Remember, if you want to see more, please like and subscribe. I can be reached anytime on email by drkristenstarfish@gmail.com. Remember, in a world of angry sharks, let's all be a starfish. Take care.